Using Windows 7 AppLocker and Microsoft Application Virtualization together ensures that users only run those applications allowed by IT, enabling increased management and control of the desktop. This screencast shows how to use these capabilities together, with a specific focus on executable rules. AppLocker is a new feature of Windows 7 that allows administrators to define policies that can allow or deny a user's ability to run or install executable MSI or script files. Microsoft Application Virtualization, or AppV, separates the application from the operating system, preventing application conflicts and enabling the ability to run multiple versions of an application on the same desktop. Virtual applications can be delivered in many ways: streaming by assigning applications to users, delivering to machines via Configuration Manager, or by using file streaming from removable media. Using AppV and AppLocker together ensures that no matter how the application is delivered or what format it takes, physical or virtual, it will respect the policies defined by IT. In this screencast, I'll demonstrate how IT can create AppLocker executable policies for virtual applications. AppV virtual applications look the same as traditional physical applications. We have a number of virtual applications installed that we'll use during this screencast. Let's take a look at our existing AppLocker rules. For Contoso.com, we have a few configured rules in place already that enable users to run applications from C program files and C Windows. But virtual applications require the Q drive, which is not currently allowed. Because the Q drive has not been defined by IT as a location from where the user can run an application, our applications will not be able to run. Let's launch Word 2007 so that we can see the policy is enforced for this user. We are navigating to the menu items created by streaming the virtual application. Notice they look exactly like physical applications, so there is no change from an end-user perspective. I'll launch Microsoft Word 2007. The icon in the lower left corner demonstrates that the application is loading using the AppV client. This error message informs the user that they are not allowed to run the application selected. Let's go back to our policy editor and create a new AppLocker rule that allows the user to run Word from the Q drive, which is AppV's cache. To save time, I've created the rule already. I'm going to import the policy and show you the rule. Now that it's imported, let's take a look. We have the two rules that were previously defined and a new rule allowing everyone to run Word 2007. Now, I'm going to go back to the Start menu and launch Word 2007 again. This time, we see that the AppLocker rule has enabled us to run the AppV virtual application. I also want to launch PowerPoint 2007. Remember that we only enabled the user to run Word and not PowerPoint. As you can see, PowerPoint fails to load as expected. This demonstrates that AppV honors both allow and deny rules. For customers who want to allow any virtual application to run, we can create a simple rule that allows all applications to run from Q. Let's go back to our local security policy editor and create the rule. We create a standard executable rule, but when prompted for the path, we enter Q:\*. This indicates anything under the root of Q. We then create the rule. Now, I'm going to go back and show that both Word 2007 and PowerPoint 2007 will launch successfully. In addition, I'll launch another AppV virtual application, Office 2003, which was not launched previously. You can see all of these virtual applications now launch successfully, and we are able to run multiple versions of the same application simultaneously, which is a key capability of AppV. In this screencast, I showed you how AppLocker can be used to restrict or allow users from running virtual applications. We demonstrated this using applications that have been streamed from an AppV server, as well as applications that are streamed from a removable device. In this session, we used local policy, but these policies can also be defined via group policies at the domain level. AppV respects the rules defined within AppLocker, giving IT a single, simple solution to define application policies for both physical and virtual applications.